Hey guys, it's Isabel Bedoya here. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Today I created this back to school makeup look. Super easy. I know it looks extra, but it's really not. I always say that in every video, but I feel like everything I do is simple, but I make it look extra. I made sure that this look was appropriate for people that wear glasses because I wear glasses every day. So shout out to Glasses USA for always restocking me. I'm going to show you guys the pairs that they sent me. I had more, but I kind of lost already 2 pairs. They're the first frames that I got from them. They're Ray-Bans. So you can pick from their website. I really like these. You know, but just feeling fancy because they're Ray-Bans. This is the second pair. I'm going to be asking them what their names are so I can list it down in the description box. This is so cute. This is the first time I actually tried these. This is the pair that I use. They're also Ray-Bans, and I actually uploaded a picture of myself on their website because you can virtually look how the glasses are gonna look on you before buying them, and I really liked it. They also offer your money back if you don't like what you shop for, so that's good because sometimes online shopping could be a little tricky. These are one of the sunglasses that they sent me with prescription. I haven't tried them, I actually just got them today. I actually have these really cool Gucci glasses that I really wanted, but I just picked 2 of the Ray-Bans. They have a lot of brand name glasses and sunglasses that you guys can pick from. These are so cute. Oh, and I could see at the same time with my astigmatism and shit. If you guys want to find out how I got this look, then keep on watching. First, we're going to start with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Dewy Primer. This is going to help hold the foundation throughout the 7 to 8 hours that you guys are going to be in school. And I do want that dewy look because I want to look awake. I want to look like the new bitch, new year, new me. Next, I'm going to be concealing the areas that I feel need work. I'm not going to be doing a full coverage look because, let's be real, who has time for that in the morning? And if you do have time, that's good for you. This is probably going to be the most expensive product that I'm featuring in this video, and it's the BARESKIN Bare Minerals. It's Bare Minerals BARESKIN Complete Coverage Serum Concealer. This is definitely worth it if you're trying to go for that natural look. I would use either Tarte Shade Tape or the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, but I feel like this one, for the natural days that I'm just trying to have this and nothing else on top, this is what works the most for my skin and makes it look literally like bare skin. You can also add more if you want more of that fuller coverage. But this time I'm going to be blending with this Tarte brush. It's the, I don't know which one because it doesn't have no name, but I just love how it blends my concealer under the eyes and all around. It's a really good brush. Doesn't suck up any product. See, just lays it down. With the remaining product on the brush, we're going to be dragging it everywhere else. I feel like we should add a little bit of cream contour just to give us more definition on the cheeks. Even though it's like a natural look, we still want to look like we're contoured a little bit. I'm going to be using the Super Stay Multi-Use Foundation Stick in the shade 356 Warm Coconut. So it does have a warmer undertone to it, so it's perfect. It'll make us look a little bronzy. Right there. I want to give it a little bit on my nose. A little bit on my nose. And this is the first time I'm trying out this product. So let's see how it blends. Blending it out with the Smashbox Cream Cheek brush. It's so perfect. It like just blends it so good. Yeah, that's nice. We don't want this to crease during the day. So I'm going to leave it as I do my eye makeup, which that will be next. I'm going to be using this MILANI Glided Desires palette. I know you guys can get this at CVS, Walgreens, Target, pretty much everywhere that they sell drugstore makeup. I have never swatched this palette, so I don't really know how the eyeshadows or anything performs. So I'm swatching the highlighter. It looks nice. It's nice. I'm going to go in with this shade on my eyelids. Why is it changing color? Hold up. Let me swatch it because I don't want it to fuck up my natural makeup. I mean, no, I think it'll work. Let's see. we are going to be adding lashes. This is a natural look, but this definitely needs lashes so the look looks like a look. But if you have long lashes, just do hella mascara. I don't have long lashes like that, so I don't have the luxury of just curling them and adding mascara till they're long enough. Now let's go in with this shade with a smaller brush. This is the Morphe E17, and this was only gonna go right here. I'm packing it on, not blending it yet, because I want to make sure I'm adding in the right areas. Yeah, that's cute. And now with the brush that we're just using for the transition shade, which is the Morphe N510, I'm gonna fluff it out, blend it out to give you like that extended eye look. Because this shade is so pretty. I don't know if you guys can really see it, but it's cute. This is just to make the eyes pop out a little bit more and make yourself look more awake in the morning. Alright, that's cute. See, so it's not that much. I'm gonna blend it out with my finger. Yeah. Now it's time to blush and bronze. We're gonna be using the e.l.f. blush palette. It's a little beat up. The shade for the bronze. We're gonna bronze with this shade and we're gonna blush with one of these. With the beauty blender that we baked under the eyes, we're gonna grab that same side and kind of just do the same thing that we did when we were adding it, but it's taking the product off. And I love this trick because it leaves my skin so airbrush looking. Today I'm gonna be using the LILLY Lashes Opulence Lash, and it looks like this. I love how this eyeshadow with the lashes on, it just makes my eyes look a little bit wider. It's cute. Now moving on to lips, we're going to be using the CoverGirl Exhibitionist Lip Liner in shade Caramel Nude. This is the first time I use this liner, and I really like it. And on top of that, I'm going to be adding the SKINFIX Coconut. Well, it's not coconut, but it's 40% coconut. It's the flavor-free lip repair balm for dry, chapped lips. When I was in school, all I would wear is chapstick, not even any lip liner. But I feel like a lip liner and chapstick is a great mix, because it's not as heavy on your lips and it's gonna last, and your lips are gonna be moisturized. And I love how the lips just look healthy. They don't look like I'm trying too hard, like I'm overlining them. Okay, now let's go back to the Milani Glided Desires palette to add some of that highlight that I swatched. This one right here, we can mix it with this one a little bit. Ooh, looks so cute. Now let's add some to the tip of the nose to blind these hoes. Last but not least, the most important thing, setting spray. I'm using the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. This is my favorite one. This is way better than MAC Fix Plus, like way better, way cheaper. You guys can use my code Isabel for extra money off.